The modern threat landscape, what you're really defending against. As a Windows Server administrator in 2025, you're managing systems in one of the most challenging security environments we've ever seen. Let me paint you a picture of what you're really up against in your daily administrative work. The numbers tell a sobering story. In February 2025 alone, ransomware incidents jumped 87% globally, with 956 reported victims compared to January. That's not just statistics, that represents administrators like you dealing with encrypted servers, disabled domain controllers, and organizations brought to their knees. Here's what makes 2025 particularly challenging for your administrative role. Attackers have evolved beyond simple opportunistic strikes. They're now running sophisticated operations that specifically target the server infrastructure you manage. We're seeing threat actors who understand Active Directory as well as you do, who know exactly which services to disable, and who can move laterally through your network with precision. The attack surface you're protecting has also expanded dramatically. Windows Server 2025 brings incredible new capabilities, enhanced hybrid cloud integration, improved SMB protocols, and advanced Active Directory features. But each new feature represents another potential entry point that attackers are actively researching and exploiting. What's particularly concerning for administrators is the rise of living off the land attacks. These don't rely on malware you can easily detect. Instead, they use the very tools you rely on daily. PowerShell, WMI, legitimate remote management tools, turning your administrative toolkit against you.